Hello friends, today we will understand how to make SOAP UI and in a very easy way how we can make a table and we can publish in XML format. As you know, Navision can publish SOAP UI, so we will understand how to make SOAP UI and plus we will understand how to test it and how to make the URL. All these things we will understand in this video. So today we will understand how to make make an API with the with the table, simple table data. So Navision can publish with three objects. One is page, another is query, and last one is coordinate. So in this video we will understand only table. So let's see how we can make this. Today, now we are going to make a simple table. Let's say I'll make it code or number, and this is code, and then name. This is text. Two simple values we are putting here. Now we are going to save this table. So we are prepared with our table. So you can see this table is ready here for use. But how we can add this value? How we can add value? How we can insert values from an API? So for that we have to make the page. A list page. That is also very simple. Just go for new, add the table ID and list page. Okay. Okay, you can just add these two fields. Something is not good, and now we can go for a preview. So everything looks fine. Now we are going to save this page. So we have created, we have created one table and one page. Now how to publish this SOAP UI? So there is a table called web service in Navision. Just open this table and add that page here, and you can name a custom name. You can assign a custom name for this API. Let's say I'll say SOAP, and I have to publish it. So you can see this is added here. Okay, so now we will understand how to make the URL. So there are three parts of URL. One is the server ID, another is port, then service name, and this is a constant WS version, and services. When you add this, when you browse this URL in browser, so you will find all the services published from this server. So here you can see all these services are published. So this is the service which we have created. Just copy this service and paste in the URL. If this is working, wow, bingo, this is working. So this is, we are getting response from the server, so that means this is working. But how we can test it, whether we are able to add the values in it or not? So for that, to test it, we have software called SOAP UI. SOAP UI you can download it from, this is a community version, so you can download it free from SOAP UI. So just check. This is the SOAP UI website. and you can download it from here. The SOAP UI Pro, SOAP UI Test, SOAP UI Download. Go to download, and then you can download SOAP UI open source, not Pro. Try SOAP UI Pro, you can use it, but you can use the community version also, that's SOAP UI open source. I have already downloaded and installed in my system, so this is here only. To test it, press Ctrl N just to go for a new one. Project name, just test SOAP 1, and then just add the URL which we have created. Let's add it here. For this, you have to give the username and password. Okay, the moment you add it, you will have all these functions. These functions are published by default. To add the value, you have to just go for the create multiple request, and you will get some XML response here. To add this value, you have to go for authentication, new authentication, basic, replaced by MTLM, okay, and then add user ID, password. There is one more setting which you need to do, that is a white space. So there is setting in property called white space. You have to make it false. This is already false, you have to make it true. Okay. So to add the value, you have to just add here, let's say my value is 1 and the name is, and press this. The moment you press this, you will get the response from here. So that means it is successfully added into the table. So now let's check. We'll go to the Navision and check it whether our value is there or not. So open the page, open, and bingo, you will get the value here. Let's add another value here. Let's say I'll give the key ID 2, and then now this time I give the name of Kumar, and then press it. Added. So you will see the another value is here. So that's how you can create a very simple SOAP API from Navision. It's very simple and very easy steps to create an API. So if you have any question, you can just write down into the comment box. I will surely answer that. Thank you.